Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you Cognigy.AI demo. Visit Cognigy's official website and click Demo or request a live demo. Fill out the quick form, name, email, company to access the interactive demo environment. Then choose your use case, e.g. customer service bot, HR assistants, or retail AI agent. Watch the pre-recorded conversational AI flows handling multilingual queries with NLP. Now, test the live demo by typing or press voice commands, e.g. reset my password or track order #123. Observe sentiment analysis in real-time. AI adjust tone if you sound frustrated. Here, explore the low-code editor where drag and drop nodes build dialogue logic. Check out the analytics dashboard showing intent recognition accuracy and fallback rates. Get a follow-up email with a demo recap and free trial link, no credit card needed. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you guys some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.